Hello my sweet friends, this is Julia again from Made by the Chef, and today I'm going to cook you a Turkish dish. Now this dish is called guvec, and the reason it's called guvec is because it's made in a terracotta pot. So I've got a lid, it's an earthenware terracotta pot, and that's actually the guvec, and it's actually the name of the dish. Now if you haven't got one of those, don't worry about it. You can use an enamel pot, you can use a cast iron pot, like a Le Creuset, whatever. So, even a deep baking tray with a bit of foil covered over it, that will work equally well. Okay, now the aim of the game is to bung it in the pot and then let it slow cook. Now what goes into a guvec? Well, a lot of vegetables. So you see, got my veg here, chop them. I'm going to cut up my onions now and quickly slice them up. I've got garlic in here, I've got aubergines, I've got peppers, there's red peppers, yellow peppers, I've got some carrots as well, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of bay leaves, there you go, and I've got some toms, and also got a lovely bit of thyme, which my neighbour gave me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut up the onions lengthways. Okay, so going against the grain, all right, just to slice them up, that's all. Don't need to be anything fancy. Just give them a quick slice. Don't overthink it, all right? That's the aim of the game with this dish. My mum always said, don't think too much. And what does she mean by don't think too much? Well, what she means is that don't let things bother you. Don't let little things bother you. Just enjoy the moments you have. Be you. And don't listen to, what other people might have to say about things that you do or criticism. It's important to make sure that you take good advice from people, but in the end, don't overthink it. Don't overthink anything that you're doing. Just be yourself. So, what's going in the pot now? Here we are. It's all going to go in, the veggies. I'm not sure I'm going to have enough room. And now, with the guvec, you can make it vegetarian, and really, all of these lovely, beautiful, juicy veggies could cook out to be a lovely, gorgeous vegetarian dish. But I'm going to add meat. It's a Turkish dish, and I'm going to stick some meat in it. Now, put some of the veggies in there. Not sure I'm going to fit it all in, but anyway, that's all right. Bigger pot would have been good. Anyway, so now I'm just going to chop up the tomatoes. Let me just shove them over there. Let me just quickly chop up some of these tomatoes. Just go quick, roughly chop as well. You can cube them up or just slice them. There you go, just bunging them in. That's really good. Onions have made my eyes water. Oh my gosh. Right, now, that's gone in. Now let me tell you about the meat that I'm using. So I am actually going to use mutton. This is a slow cook dish. So you don't need fancy cuts of meat, all right? So I'm actually going to use a bit of mutton, so a bit of sheep. And I've just got some mutton cuts that I got from the butcher. And if you want, there you go, there's my mutton cuts. You can use a bit of beef chuck, any kind of meat that really benefits from a bit of slow cooking. So don't really need to use like lamb neck fillet, it's a bit pricey. You're just better off with just some basic cuts really, and that's what these are, just a nice bit of lamb cuts. So I'm just gonna bung them in. Now, what's great about this dish is that you don't need to do any pre-frying, any kind of, saute this and brown that and sear this off and blah, 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 and all the rest of it. And yeah, that's really great for some dishes and it does work and it's beautiful and wonderful. But I'm just going to bung it all in. Yeah, right. Let's move that over. And I'll show you my pot. It's all getting a bit full now. We'll do our best. Now, what else is going to go in here? So, of course, don't forget your seasoning. So you want to season the whole dish. So nice bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to bung that in as well. Right, let's get all this in. And then, tell you what else I'm going to use. Right, let's get that. There you go. Right, okay. I'll just try and shove it all in a minute. Now, right, let me just do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I just wipe my hands off. There we go. Okay, let me get a spoon. And then I'm going to put some red pepper paste. So I've got this is from the Turkish shop. You can get it from most delis. You could probably buy it online as well, to be honest. If you're lucky to have a deli somewhere near you, a Turkish deli, then you can pick it up from there. And so I've got the red pepper paste in there, and then I'm just going to quickly salt it up. So I've got a little bit of salt, and I'll stick a bit of black pepper in it. And there we go. And then, quickly, a bit of olive oil, get that as well. I'll stick that in there as well, a little bit of olive oil. And then, I'm going to mix all that up, bung the lid on it, stick it in the oven, about 160, 170 degrees, and let that slow cook. So what you want is, you want it to cook probably for about 3 hours, 4 hours. You can check it after a couple of hours, see how it's coming along, but about 3 to 4 hours on about 160. So that's about gas mark 3, gas mark 2. It's very low heat, okay? Because you want that low and slow, yeah? And then once it's cooked out, we'll take a look. Right, here it is, 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours later. Absolute beauty. Look at that. Beautiful. Look, see the steam coming off it. Gorgeous. Released its own juices. Didn't need to add any extra water or anything. So just very simple dish. Mutton, loads of veggies, bit of tomato paste or sweet pepper paste if you can get it. Olive oil. Done. Amazing. Bit of seasoning. That's it. Don't overthink it. Slow cooking at its best. Chuck it all in a pot. Don't need to sear it off beforehand. Whack it in the oven. 170 degrees. 4 hours, 5 hours, forget about it. Perfect dinner, maybe lunch. Enjoy, stay at home, wash your hands, keep watching the videos, and I'll see you again tomorrow.